Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when your hard drive or SSD drive is missing from here. You usually had two and now you have only one. So how you can bring your old SSD or drive back. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you have to do is right click on your start menu and then click on disk management. Just maximize this, and if you are not seeing your drive, then it means that your drive isn't assigned any letter. Just right click on it and then click on change drive letter and paths. If you don't see any drive or letter, just click on add and then just select any letter from here. Just click on OK, then click on OK again, and then your problem should be solved. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.